No, baby. No. No, 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 no. What are you doing? This one, baby.
T.
Good job.
I see it.
Do it again. Can you do it again?
Can you do it again? Do it right. Remember, circle, half circle.
Okay.
Boom. Ha ha ha.
Good job, baby.
I see it. I see it.
Okay, watch the marker. Don't mark your shirt because that will stain. That's pink, man. Yep. Keep it over here on this. You ready? You do number 4? Think you can do that one? Go for it.
3, 1.
Straight line down. And across. Just like that. Wow, you listen. Now let's show Mom the 5. Do 5.
Okay.
Okay. You know how to do this one. Okay. Now remember, you have problems with the 6. Let's see if you can get to 6. Remember, it's like that.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Try it.
How?
Okay, you want me to show you once? Okay. Down. And a circle. Just like that. Okay? See if you can do it. You can do it. Just like that.
Good job, babe.
Try it one more time. See if you can do it a little bit better. Good job. You have the idea. Oh, you got a little sloppy. Okay, good job. Okay, 7. You know how to do. You know how to do 7. That one's easy, huh? The 8. I don't know about the 8.
I don't want to.
Let's show you one. Start up here. Sure. Think you can do that one?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Okay.
You can get this one. That'll be awesome.
Yeah.
Try it. We're gonna skip
Hey,
number 8.
she made 2 circles.
Hey, do number 9. Watch out. Okay, think you do 9? I'm sure I haven't showed you 9 yet.
No.
Well, do it then.
Good
I haven't
job.
showed her how to do that yet. She did that on her own. And last one. 10. 1 and a 0. Yep. You know. And then drop the 0. The whole. Alright, we're done. That's it.
Hey, how old are you?
2,
What's your name?
7.
Your name is 7?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Tell me what your name is.
Gabby.
And how old are you?
Gabby. 2.
Gabby's 2?
I see it.
Keep talking.
Hi. 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 That's a hi.
Sing the ABCs.
Yeah, sing your ABCs.
I, B, C, D, F, G, and I know my ABCs. That's how I sing with me.
Almost, babe.
Yeah,
Almost.
you skipped a few letters.
Okay.
Do it again. Get all the letters. You skipped a few.
A, B, C, D, F, G, H, J, L, M, P, Q, R, S, T, Y, V. That's how you sing with me.
You got all the way up to B, dude.
Gabby, say bye.
Bye. Bye.